Okay, so the Amazon driver recently dropped off a box. Because I have a project in front of me that's years in the making. Franny and friends, I only have time to do the espresso machine cleaning tablets today. I have to do the descaling another day. Miss Franny Farmer, you have inspired me to pull out my manual and actually figure out how to clean my machine. And so I'm reading step by step, and I'm going to watch your instruction video, which I'm so grateful for. Okay. So the instructions say to insert this 1 cup filter basket into the portafilter. Followed by the supplied cleaning disc. Oh, I think this is the cleaning disc. I'm not sure. Followed by a 1 cleaning tablet. Putting the tablet, of course it falls. Here's the tablet. I am placing the tablet in its location in the basket. Now it says to lock the portafilter into the group head and place a large container beneath the portafilter spouts. All right, so I'm gonna lock this in place. Locked. Franny, I have a similar Pyrex to you, so I took your advice and I pulled mine out, and I'm going to use that as my container. I made sure that my water tank was filled with filtered water. My drip tray is empty. 1 cup and 2 cups. Simultaneously, then also press the power button. Hold all 3 buttons together for approximately 10 seconds. Here we go. Did I get it? The cleaning cycle will commence and last for approximately 5 minutes. During this time, the water will intermittently flow from the portafilter spouts. Once complete, 3 beeps will sound. Remove the portafilter and ensure the tablet has completely dissolved. If the tablet has not dissolved, repeat until the tablet has dissolved. I think I got it, but I will let you know if I am successful. Well, I didn't get the 3 affirmative beeps, but I think it's done because the clean me button is no longer lit. I'm just checking. My tablet was almost dissolved, so it's not quite dissolved, so I'm going to empty this and run another cycle just to make sure. Cycle number 2. Success! Thank you, Franny, for your help. The next job will be to descale this sucker.